A ball of mass 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg having a charge of 1 microcoulomb is suspended by a string of length 0.8 meter and other identical ball having same charge is kept at the point of suspension. Determine the minimum horizontal velocity which should be imparted to the lower ball so that it can complete the circle. Let us assume there is a ball of some charge and there is another ball which is attached at the bottom. When it is imparted certain velocity, let us say the velocity is equal to u. Let us say the velocity is equal to u. It will complete a circle only when it crosses this point. Okay, that is the topmost point. The the minimum velocity that should be provided so that the ball completes the topmost point will be when the tension at the topmost point will be equal to 0. अगर tension यहाँ पे just 0 हो रहा है then only यहाँ पे 0 या उससे greater रहेगा, then only the ball will complete a circle, otherwise the ball will not complete a circle over here. Okay, but now in this case there are charges on this ball also. Okay, this is a positive charge, there is a positive charge over here. अब यहाँ पे topmost point cross करने के लिए tension should be equal to 0. We will equate the tension equal to 0. अब यहाँ पे let us see the rest of the forces. Let us see the rest of the forces over here. Besides tension, there will be mg which acts in the downward direction. Since both of them are positively charged or negatively charged, whatever it may be, okay, 1 microcoulomb, it is not specified whether it is positive or negative. अगर एक पॉजिटिव है तो दूसरा भी पॉजिटिव है, अगर एक नेगेटिव है तो दूसरा भी नेगेटिव है. It means that the force will be a repulsive force. So the repulsive force will be in the opposite direction, which is equal to F, which will be equal to kq square divided by r square over here. We will see that later. So the resultant force is a centripetal force over here. The resultant force is a centripetal force which acts in the downward direction. So basically over here mg will be greater. So mg minus over here mg minus the centripetal the mg minus the electrostatic force, which is equal to k q1 q2 divided by r square will be equal to r square, or I can take it as L square, where L or R is the radius of the circle, will be equal to over here will be equal to mv square divided by r. Let this be the first equation. Okay, तो यहाँ पे total downward force is mg, upward force is equal to the electrostatic force. When I subtract that, I should get the required centripetal force. Okay, ये हो गया first equation. By law of conservation of energy, whatever is the energy at this point, let us say this energy is 1. Okay, total energy is 1. The total energy at the second point, let it be equal to 2. So E1 should be equal to E2. E1 should be equal to E2. Now the total energy at point A, total energy at the first point is only the kinetic energy, which is equal to half m. Let the velocity at the bottommost point be u. Okay, let the velocity at this point be equal to u. At the topmost point, let it be equal to v. So half m u square will be equal to half m v square, that is the kinetic energy at the topmost position, plus the potential energy which will be equal to mg into 2l. If you see, the height difference over here will be equal to 2l. So now the mv square will be equal to, I will multiply the whole equation by 2, तो यहाँ से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. I can say that it is mu square minus 4 mgl. Okay, इसको अगर मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4. So it will be, when it is shifted on the left hand side, it will be equal to 4 mgl. So mv square will be equal to, यहाँ पे मैं ये पूरे इक्वेशन को, ये जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है, ओके, ये जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है, मैं पूरे इक्वेशन को यहाँ पे r से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू mgr और mgl. ओके, आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट, लेट मी सब्स्टिट्यूट एस r माइनस k q1 q2 divided by q1 q2 divided by over here it will be equal to r will be equal to mv square. अब mv square के जगह पे I will substitute mgr minus k q1 q2 divided by r mu square minus 4 mgl minus 4 mgl. Okay, now the mass over here is given as 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. The g will be equal to, let us take it as 10 into r. The radius of the string is given as the radius of the string or the length of the string is given as 0.8, so it will be equal to 0.8 minus k. K over here is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge over here is given as 1 microcoulomb for both of them. So 1 microcoulomb का यहाँ पे square हो जाएगा, micro will be equal to 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 6 का square यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 10 raised to minus 12 divided by r. The length of the string is equal to 0.8. So this is equal to 0.8 will be equal to mass. The mass of the string is given as 2 into 10 raised to 3 or minus 3. I do not know the value of u, let it be equal to u square minus 4 into mgl. Okay, minus 4 into mgl. When I shift it on the left hand side, it will be equal to plus 4 into mgl. तो माइनस प्लस यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5. सो आई कैन सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पे 5 का फैक्टर हम लोग सिंपली यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट मी मल्टीप्लाई बाय अ फैक्टर ऑफ 5. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 into 10 will be equal to 100. 100 into, if I shift it over here, it will be equal to 10 raised to 2. So it will be equal to, simply it will be equal to 0.08. This is the value over here on the left hand side. Minus 9 divided 9 into, it will be equal to 9 into, it will be equal to, or 9 by 8. I can simply write it as 9 by 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 into u square. So basically 9 by 8 will be equal to, this is 0.08. 9 by 8 will be equal to 1.125 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 u square. So basically it can be written as 0.0125. When I subtract 0.0125, it will be equal to 0.06. It will be equal to 0.0675. Okay, 0.0675 into 10 raised to minus 2 will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 into u square. So the last step over here, minus 3 को यहाँ पे multiply कर लेंगे. So it will be equal to 0.675 will be equal to u square. Okay, 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 3 को मैंने यहाँ पे divide कर लिया. So u square over here will be equal to, or 10 raised to minus 2 won't be over here. 10 raised to minus 3 यहाँ पे won't be over here because I have already subtracted that part. So basically it will be equal to, if I multiply 10 raised to 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 3 over here, it will be equal to 3, it will be equal to 3375 divided by 3375. जब भी मैं यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड कर लेता हूँ, I will shift it by 3 decimals, so it will be equal to 33.75. This is the value of u square. Okay, this is the value of u square. So u will be root of 33.75, which will be roughly equal to 5.6 or 5.7. Okay, so roughly it is equal to 5.7, 5.8.